Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel and happy June. Happy June. How are you guys coping? So today we're just going and I just spent time in my friend's garden and just getting some veggies for free. So yeah, I can't really complain. I hope June has gotten off to a good start for you, and I hope there's plenty of blessings coming your way. So this is the final product. This is how much veg I've sliced up. I would definitely recommend you listen to the Bible whilst you're doing this. Well, yeah. So I'm just going to put this in a plastic bag and freeze it and use it as and when I need it. So yeah, this is us done. It's actually not a lot. I'm gonna finish this in less than 2 weeks. Hello guys, so I'm just getting ready to prepare my first meal of the day. So I'm gonna show you how I would eat the veggies that I just prepped. And really, my diet is predominantly plant-based. I'm not 100% plant-based, like I do eat meat, you know. But I try to just incorporate more fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes in my diet because my skin and my body really responds so well to that. Anytime I introduce a lot of meat, a lot of processed food, it's really downhill for me. So like 2 days ago I ate pizza and look how my skin is just breaking out. So yeah, so today I'm just gonna have some rice which I got from my friend. I don't know what kind of rice it is. Maybe it's whole grain or it's from Nigeria, but it doesn't look like your normal typical white rice. And I'm gonna have that with my veg, where I'm just cooking it on the pot now, and I've just added stew into it, and then I'll serve that with chickpeas as well. And yeah, that's gonna be my first meal for today. So this is the rice. I don't know if you can. I'm gonna ask my friend what kind of rice it is. This is the rice, and these are the chickpeas, and I'm gonna plate. This is my first time eating ofada rice, and I have to say it's definitely different to white rice. White rice, we've removed that outer shell, but with ofada rice, it still has that outer shell. And that outer shell is super high in fiber, super high in vitamins B1, 2, 3, which are good for your nervous system. And it's also high in zinc and phosphorus and so many other minerals. And It's gluten-free as well, and it's really good for you if you're wanting to lose weight because it's super low in calories, and because of its high fiber content, it means you don't have to eat as much of it compared to white rice. Therefore, it fills you up more and fills you up for longer, which is super helpful for weight loss. So for me, I think once you get over the texture, because it is a bit more chewy than white rice, and the aroma, I think you'll be fine because it has this fermented aroma smell to it. But once you get over that, I don't see why you can't incorporate this, instead of white rice. Definitely introduce this more, eat more of the ofada rice. It's such a fantastic superfood, and it needs more a publication. I don't know why white rice takes a center stage when there's other varieties of rice that the world has to offer. I definitely think we're selling ourselves short, really. So I'm really gonna enjoy this. Come and join me.
Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. Disimular, así el problema y la duda no nos ven pasar. El que se enoja, mi amor, pierde un turno y se